All right, a preview of mini section 3. So this was end of 2. 3 goes week, Monday, Tuesday. All right, let me explain. So this is end of mini section 2, okay? Now mini section 3 starts off with this one, all right? Now it's a bit tricky. Let's just do the arms first. So the arms doing, my right is doing 1 circle and a half, all right? So 1.5, it ends over here, all right, on my left side. Now my left arm is going here, 1 circle and a quarter, all right? So it ends here with me pointing down because this one going 1.5 ends here, all right? So I end up pointing on my flat hand here, all right? So when we do it all together, just look, it goes like this. Whoom. All right, so they're sort of moving in opposite directions. This one starting first, whoom, and then I start to move in the opposite directions here. Whoa, 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 whoa. All right, this might take you a while to get. Just practice super slow. Start with this one and then think opposite direction, and then you want to start thinking about ending it over here. All right. Now, if this becomes too advanced, you can just, go wah. That's it. All right. Wah. Or if you want to go really advanced, you go woo, 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 woo. Okay. Now, once you can do this, you also want to do a step to the front with your left leg, which is right now in the back. You want to go to the front. Okay. So this was end of mini section 2. Wing. You want to go whoom, 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 whoom. Okay. Just try that a few times. Whoom, 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 whoom. Or if you want to do the lazy version, you just do whoom. Okay. Now from here, what you want to do is just go and repeat the Monday, Tuesday, blah, blah, blah. All right. But this time we're doing it slightly different. All right. So here you want to do Monday, whoop. So to this side, but you're basically just leaning back a little bit. And then on Tuesday, you still do this, but you sort of lean to the front, almost as if you're taking a step here with your left. I think he is actually taking a step. All right, so that was mini section 3. Let's just try and rewind here. I'm just going to show you again. This was end of 2. 3 goes whoom, 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 whoom. Lean back, step to the front. All right, so step it with my left. Let me just show it one more time. This was end of 2. 3 goes whoom, 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 whoom. Lean, step. Right, I'm sort of dragging my right leg. Let me just show you from the side here so you can see what I'm doing. This was end of 2. 3 goes whoom, 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 whoom. All right, so before we start practicing, let me just explain the timing as well. So like I mentioned, he starts the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday all over again. So end of mini section 2 was on sun. This is on week, and then he goes Monday, Tuesday. All right, so it was week, Monday, Tuesday. All right, let's try and practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then I'm gonna sing week, Monday, Tuesday. All right, let's start from here with the right in front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Week, Monday, Tuesday. Let's try that again. Right leg in the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Week, Monday, Tuesday. All right, mini section 4. Let me show you a quick preview. It goes like this. This was end of 3. 4 goes Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All right, let me explain. So, this is end of 2. The arms are pretty much the same as before. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday is a bit different. All right. So this was Thursday, end of mini section 3. 4 goes, and Wednesday. Notice how I just gathered here. My right leg was already on the way. I'm basically just saying, whoom. Okay. So from here, whoom. All right. Now from here, basically what I'm doing, I'm just gonna keep standing here to the side. Basically what I want to do is take a small step with my right leg to the front when I do the next part, which is this one, 4, as we used to, like before, right? So let me just rewind here. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. Okay, let me just go to the front again. So this is Tuesday, Wednesday, small step, and gather on Friday. Okay, I'll just show one more time. Just look. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, I already explained the timing, so let's just try and practice. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna start on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay, from here, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. All right, moving on to mini section 5. Let me show you a quick preview. So this is in the 4. 5 goes 7 days a week. Now let me explain. So this was in a 4. 5 goes, you just want to jump out with your legs like this. Wink, wink, wink. And notice how I'm doing like a small bounce here. So I'm jumping 1, bounce, in. Okay? At the same time, I also want to do with my arms here. Wink, wink, wink. Okay? Just throw it up here, and then slightly down, and then place it here. We don't need to do all this, all right? You just need to place it, okay? So when you do it all together, it's gonna look like this, all right? This is in a 4, 5 goes, and whack, whack, whack. All right, let's try it with me. The timing is 7 days a week, okay? Just try it with me. We're gonna start like this, and I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna sing 7 days a week. 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 days a week. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, 7 days a week. Alright, so before we move on to the final mini section, I think it would be good to practice the second Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week part. So let me just do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. Alright, so let me recap. Starting on Monday, it goes like this. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Let me just show it from the side as well. So, here, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. All right, let's try. We're gonna practice slow. So, from here, the left leg is in the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Let's try that a bit faster. All right, left leg in the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. All right, last minute section, guys. Let me just show you a quick preview. This is where we ended before. Last one goes every hour, every minute, every second, you know. And then from here is basically freestyle. There's a part that the backup dancers do, but I'm gonna save that one to the very end after the full dance. All right, let me explain the final mini section. So from here, basically what you wanna do, this groovy move here. So the way you do the groovy move is that you want to first take a step out with your right here, and then you sort of want to lean into it, and then bend your knees, lean, bend, lean, bend, lean, bend, lean, bend. And that's how you do the groovy move. You can also do it like more subtle, all right? So not exaggerating that much. I think the important part is that you move your upper body from corner to corner, all right? Boom, hey, 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 and then this small bounce here, boom, 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 womb. All right, we want to do 6 of those. The first 2, the arms are just down here. The 2 that comes after, you want to go watch, watch. All right, and then the final 2, you want to go come, come. All right, so let me just repeat that from here. 1, 2, watch, watch, come, come. All right, and then the last thing you do is just go jump down, pull up. All right, let me just show it from the side as well. So the whole mini section here, you go 1, 2, watch, watch, come, come, jump up. Now let me explain the timing. The timing goes every hour, every minute, every second, you know. All right, time to practice, guys. So starting from here, and then we're gonna do boom. All right, so 5, 6, 7, 8, every hour, every minute, every second, you know. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8, every hour, every minute, every second, you know. All right, guys, time to do the full dance from the tip to top. I'm just gonna do a quick recap and then we're gonna practice. All right, recap of the full dance. Let's see if I remember it. It goes like this. Boom. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second, you know. All right, make sure before you practice a full dance, if there's a certain part where you keep getting stuck, then just try and practice only that part and then do the full dance after. Okay, let's try and practice. We're gonna start off slow. I'm gonna go 5, 6, 7, 8, and then we're gonna go boom, Monday. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second, you know. All right, let's try that again a bit faster. 5, 6, 7, 8, boom. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second, you know. All right, so for those of you who are interested in the last bit, the part that the backup dancers do, let me just quickly explain. All right, so you know, then they go step to the side and then gather. All right, slightly down here. So let me just show the leg work here. Boom, boom. All right. Now the arms are saying whoop whoop. It's the left that is already down here. It goes to the side, and as soon as I land here and I land over here, I want to twist it around. Boom. All right. So I boom and then back. So I roll my wrist like this. I just do it once and then I'm back. Okay, let me just show it. It's gonna be easy to see. So from here, boom, roll down. Okay, let me show you again. From here, boom, roll here. And then from here, you just go bounce, bounce, and that's it. Okay, and then there's some poses you can do as well. Okay, so let me show you again from here. Whoop, whoop, boom, click, boom, boom. Now, as for the timing, it goes, you know, knife, cut, loving. All right, so there's a ka that I think they're hitting, it seems so. And it's, you know, knife, the ka, night, cat, loving. Alright, and that's it. So let me just show you again. It goes, you know, night of cat, loving. Alright guys, that's basically it. Let me just show you one last time the whole thing to the normal tempo, right? Goes like this. Boom! Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, week. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, 7 days a week. Every hour, every minute, every second, you know, night, cat, loving you right. Thank you guys so much for watching this video till the end. If you liked it, please like and subscribe if you want to see more videos from me. And if there's a specific dance or dance move that you want me to cover, then let me know in the comments. Alright, thank you guys so much, and until next time.